Hey everyone, welcome back to AVC Labs channel. Do you guys want to know how to fix blurry out of Foucs portrait today? Before we dive into the details, take a look at these incredible transformations. It's amazing what a few simple steps can do to rescue your portraits. Let's move on to the specific steps. To get started, open AVC Labs Photo Pro AI and import your blurry or out of focus portrait. At the top of the program you can see 7 AI models. For different image editing purposes, you can choose different AI models. To fix blurry or out of focus portrait, we choose Enhance. Then choose the level of improvement according to your specific requirements. Standard means enhance images with balanced improvements. High definition means enhance images with more pronounced improvements, but a longer time is needed. For portrait photos, you can check face refinement to detect and enhance every detail to make your subject look great. After all settings are completed, click the Apply button to apply the enhancements to your photo. Just wait a moment and you can click here to see a preview of how your photo will look with the adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the enhancements, save your final photo. Thank you for joining us today on AVC Labs channel. If you have any questions or want to share your success stories with AVC Labs Photo Pro AI, feel free to leave a comment below.